Well, good hump day to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, it is about 77 degrees out here, and it's probably going to start raining here in a little bit. We under a severe thunderstorm watch. Yeah, imagine that. But before we get off into this video today, I always like to mention that if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is the day we're going to do some soil testing. So we finna walk over here to these berries that we have planted in the containers, and we're going to commence to getting our testing on. Give me a second. That's what we fisting to do's. Here's our container that we had the holly-tone and potting soil in. Here's a container that we had a 50-50 mix of peat moss and potting soil. We're gonna do this two kinds of ways. We're gonna test this soil two ways. Yeah, I know I got glasses on, 'cause Lord, I can't see these. Yeah, I'm getting old. But we're gonna test this soil two different ways. We're gonna use the 3-way meter, and we're also gonna use a soil analysis using liquid. So let's check this out. Let's see, that right there is, according to this pot is showing about 4.5 on the acidity level. Let's check out the one that has the 50-50 mix of pot and soil. I'll try to do this to where you can actually see it. And this one is showing 4.5 as well. So we're actually showing about 4.5 here and 4.5 here. Let's go into the shack and check out the other test that we're going to do to check the acidity level in both of these containers. Got me some help. All right, here's the second way we're going to test the soil, and this is the Hold All Soil Test Kit. I'm utilizing some distilled water and these little green capsules. That's what we use to test for the acidity. And of course we have our instructions manual and a color code that we could actually match everything up to. So here is our 50-50 of potting soil and peat moss. And this thing is showing right at 6.5, slight acidity. And this one is our potting soil with holly-tone added to it. And believe it or not, this one is showing might be on the alkaline side or neutral. So showing one at 6.5 and the other one at 7.0 possibly. So that is a pretty big difference. The soil test that uses the little capsules that you test for the acidity using distilled water, one is showing right at 7 and the other one is 6.5. The actual test meter itself is showing 4.5, 5 on both of them. So which one is right? That's kind of crazy. Now, one thing that we have to take into consideration is I've gotten probably a week and a half of nothing but rain. I don't know if the rain would have leached all of the holly-tone out of those containers. That I don't know. The peat moss, nah, I don't see it leaching anything out of it. So that's a few things that we have to take into consideration as well. The plants in themselves are growing real well. Don't see any signs of stress or browning of the leaves or anything like that. It's just been getting a lot of rain. So which one did the better job? All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. I had quite a few folks ask me about the soil test that I was going to do. Couldn't do it the last couple of days because of the rain, but we got a little break in the rain today. So I figured, hey, let's get out here and test the soil and see what it's doing. Again, your berries, your blackberries, your blueberries, and some of your raspberries love that acidic soil. I don't know. It's almost to the point where I would actually take a few soil samples and actually bring it to the agricultural center or have the soil tested here locally. But probably be a lot of money, and is it worth it is the big thing. I'm really going off of instinct. The plants look like they are growing well. They don't look like they're stressed or they're lacking anything thus far nutrient wise. So I think I'm just gonna rock on and monitor, just keep monitoring it every month or so, and side dress if I have to bring that acidity to the soil, and that's what those plants need. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Wednesday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home Mistakes channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Today I'm testing soil. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee Show Enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.